You're watching this video because you want to add a announcement bar on your Squarespace website. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add an announcement bar on your Squarespace website, as well as some tips in order to utilize this tool effectively. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Henry Purchase, and I made the SEO plugin for Squarespace used by tens of thousands of businesses all across the world. So we know a thing or two when it comes to customizing your Squarespace website. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you can already see here, an announcement bar is essentially a bar that appears at the top of your Squarespace website where you can drive people towards potentially a lead generation magnet. For example, here you can see this is allowing people to watch a free mini course about Squarespace SEO, or you can just let them know about some important information. Maybe you want to create urgency when someone's on your website. So you might want to let them know that you've only got one slot available for your service, or you've got low stock on a particular product. It's just a great way in order to inform visitors across your website for whatever you want them to know. And they also do have the ability to close it as well. So it's not a permanent thing that's going to annoy them. Now, in order to add this on Squarespace, what I want you to do is head over to your Squarespace dashboard, head to website, and then click on pages. Now, Squarespace does often move things around. So if you ever want to find something, if you just press / on your keyboard, you'll see this search bar appear here where you'll be able to search for Squarespace's key functionality if it does change where it's actually located. But once you're on pages, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see website tools. And website tools is where you can do a number of different things. You can add a promotional pop-up, add custom CSS, inject code, or set up your announcement bar on Squarespace. As you can see, it's super easy to enable or disable, add whatever text that you want, as well as also to add a link if you want to push people towards something, as well as also add a clickable URL, which if they click this banner, as you'll see, they'll be taken to this Squarespace SEO course, which I mentioned earlier. So you don't have to add a link. You can make it completely clickable. However, I recommend adding a link because as you can see, it's not 100% clear that you can actually click on this. Now, once you've set your announcement bar up, if you actually want to change the color or the style of it, what you're going to have to do is head over to the Site Styles button in the top right-hand corner of your Squarespace dashboard. And from here, this is where you can edit the themes, edit the fonts, colors, and all the different aesthetic things on your Squarespace website. Now, I'm not a designer, so I'm definitely not qualified to walk you through how to make it look great on your Squarespace site. However, your site styles is where you can actually edit this and anything else across your website. So there you are, guys. Of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.